subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus has finally launched its new mid-range 5G phone under Nord series in India called OnePlus Nord CE. Talking about the specifications, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset coupled with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6, 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the camera, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 190° field of view and a 2MP monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with Sony IMX471 sensor. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 30W rapid charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on Oxygen OS 11 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.2 by 73.5 by 7.9mm and it weighs around 170 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The OnePlus Nord CE 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 22,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 24,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 27,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Blue Void, Charcoal Ink and Silver Ray color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from June 16th. So what do you guys think of this OnePlus Nord CE 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.